Hi everyone, in this video we will be discussing about how to create performance max campaigns in Microsoft Bing advertising platform. So in case you are not aware of how to create this ad account and start over, I'll leave a link to my other video where I have discussed about all details, how to create the account and what all options are there, and I've walked through all the interface in the Bing Ads platform. Right. So for this video, we'll be talking about the Performance Max campaigns. So for this, you need to click on these campaigns, and campaigns again over here, and you will see this create option. Click on this option and you will see these goals. Click on skip over here and you will have Performance Max campaign over here. Click on this and go to continue. Click on continue and you have store. So if you want to run this campaign for shopping, right, you want to run Performance Max campaigns for shopping, right, you have an e-commerce store, then you can choose the store. In case you don't want to do that, you can just click on start campaign. This will go as a normal PMax campaign for whatever service or product you're trying to promote. Click on start. And the next is the assets. So here you will have to upload some of your assets like images, right? You can upload up to 20 images, right? And all of them will appear in different Microsoft related platforms. You can see your ads on search, MSN platform, on Edge, and also on Outlook. So these are all like platforms where you see the ads, right? So first thing, give a group name. This is like asset group or ad group you can call, and give the link of your website. Let me just give that, and AI will automatically take content from your website and create headlines, images, and the descriptions over here, right? So it has created already, right? So let me just choose some. So there are some images also. Let me just choose some images. So here are some images, and logo, let me just choose in one of the logos, and here are short headlines. So you can add 15 short headlines over here, right? So it's already added. I can add some more. And there are long headlines. So you have 90 character limit for long and 30 character limit for short headlines. Apart from that, you also have descriptions. So you have 5 descriptions to be added, right, with a 90 character limit length. And you have business name, and you have call to action. You can add call to action over here. Like for example, you can say get demo. Let's say you're promoting any software product and you want people to get a demo. You can use this particular call to action. Otherwise, you have a lot of other options to choose for based on your business and your product or service you're offering. And you have action extension, you have price extension, promotion extension, site link extensions, and more other extensions you have. You can add them to your campaigns where it appears in your Bing search campaign. Okay. And once you're done with that, you have start and end dates. You can put start and end dates for this campaign, and click on save and go to next step. And here location, if you want to target any particular location, you can choose. For example, if you want to do just London, right, you can do that, right? And next, language, if your ads are in English, then choose English. If your ads are in any other language, you can choose to do so. So let me click on English. And next is your signals. So signals are basically your targeting, right? So you can add your search keywords, like your keywords over here, where people will be searching on the Bing platform, right? You can run, let's say you're doing some accounting software related ad, right? You can add the keywords over here, right? And next is you have audiences, which is pretty similar to other audiences in your other campaigns like audience campaign, right? So you have interests where you have in market audience, you have in market audience to add. Apart from that, you also have other audience list in case you want to add your remarketing list, in case you want to add your customer data which you have uploaded, right? Or you want to create a similar audience or a lookalike audience. So you will be able to, if you have already created, you will be able to select from this list, right? So this is the audience signal. So for the performance max to work best, the recommended thing is to add as many as signals possible, right? So this will help you to reach the right people and get quality leads in the performance max. So you also have your age targeting and the gender targeting. In case you feel that any of the age is not relevant to your target audience, you can untick any of them, right? And then next, save and go to next step. And here is your campaign name. You can give your campaign name over here, right? And here is the ad schedule. Want to run the ad on only some days and in a particular timing, you can choose to do so, right? And next you have auto generated assets. So you want to pull the ads directly from your landing page. And next is your campaign URL options, right? You can add your UTM parameters, tracking parameters over here. Save and go next. Next comes the budget. You can give the budget right over here, and your bid strategy in case you want to maximize conversion value, TROAS, or you can also choose TCPA, right? So you can choose any of the bid strategy based on what is your end goal you want to achieve. And save and go to next step. So here you will have the option to go live or do not go live, right? Since this is just for a test purpose, so I'll be just clicking on don't go live, and the campaign will be in a pause state, right? So you can see here performance max campaign name. So this is how you create the performance max campaign. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. It helps and motivates me to do more and more videos like this.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this.